Hey beloved, you are the most gorgeous girl that I have ever seen. You are such a fantastic, kind-hearted and caring person. That's why I can't even think of another partner in my life. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Every moment is so heavenly with you. Your positive energy inspires me the most. Well, this fatigue is not due to the lack of love. It is only because I just can't live a moment without you loving persona. My most special baby girl, I want to share something very extraordinary with you. This has been kind of hidden deep down in my heart. No one in this world knows about it so far. So I have to say that I've kept it well inside me. I know people have suspicions about our relationship. So some of them might have assumed it, but this may sound startling to you. That's why I'm getting my mystery out today in front of you. I feel that you should have heard this from me only. But I have a proposition for you, dear. You should not react instantly. I have been in profound love with you for a long time. I guess it was love at first sight from day one.